Okay, we've got a unique experience today. We're going into the labyrinth that is the fiery furnace. It's just a maze of cracks and crevices that you are free to explore. There's one little kind of suggested trail through there, but otherwise you can explore as you like. But we have two guides, two rangers, to lead us along today. And they are...
I'm gonna lead you along in the tiny crevices.
We might be in trouble. Cool little arches in here. I like that one. I see light through it. It's 3 feet wide. Arch.
You go up on this rock.
I already found my spot.
Oh. I think the trail goes that way.
I don't think so.
Well, it looks sturdy that way.
I don't know. I'm sure plenty of people have come up that way. I don't think you can look at footprints anymore.
Yeah. Maybe is that on the trail where they're going? Is that the trail?
No.
How about over here?
There's another one up there.
Another one what? Oh, a little arch.
That's what I was thinking.
I'm up on this rock.
But a lot of people don't even notice that one.
Up over there?
That little one.
We just learned a lesson hiking through fiery furnace. You get in a lot of these spaces here, you're not sure where to go. Pack a lot of snacks. You get in one of these places and you're not sure where the trail goes. You just sit down and eat a snack. Wait for somebody else to come by and let them find the way. Pack up your snacks and follow them. Pro tip from a noob. What are you smiling at? So this is the challenge. You come in to a huge space like this and you got to figure out which way to go. There are arrows hidden around in places, but they're usually about this big and glued onto rocks. So you're encouraged to explore, but there is a suggested trail. And there are just pathways and cracks, and I can probably count 12 ways it could be candidates to get out of this space. Thankfully, we've actually seen someone go through it now, so now we know. It's pretty wild. Oh no, we're back. We're back.
Finish the loop.
Get in doesn't mean don't go down here. It means definitely do go down here. There's something interesting down there. We've almost done it. We're almost back. We hiked the fiery furnace twice and explored a ton and came up the steep hill at the end. This is why you're not supposed to walk this way. But we walked until we saw the parking lot and turned around and went back the other way, the wrong way. This is why you should go the other way. We were in there for 7 hours. There he is.